Next is, next sutra is Sankalana Vyavakalanavyam. This is very interesting sutra. I want everyone to listen. No need to write anything. Okay. Sankalana Vyavakalanavyam. Sankalana means what? Sankalana means addition. Vyavakalana means subtraction. The problems which includes both addition and subtraction, to solve those problems, we are going to use this sutra. Okay. Sankalana Vyavakalanavyam. Don't feel it is very difficult to remember all these names, because it is not required to remember all these names. I want you to understand the application of the sutras. Okay, that is the only intention. Sankalana Vyavakalanavyam. Sankalana means addition, Vyavakalana means subtraction. Whichever the problem which includes both addition and subtraction, we are going to use this formula. Is it clear? Yes or no? I want someone to respond. Very good. Okay. Next one. Next sutra is Puranapyam. So, Puranapyam means what? Puranapyam means it is something like you will have some equation which shows it is complete. So,
easy one.
Yeah?
Ma'am, this is the easy one.
Easy one.
Yeah.
Which one?
The Puranapyam.
It is not the easy one. Okay. By the completion.
Those are
Or,
only one.
what?
Those are all are two sutras and this is only one sutra.
Oh, you are telling like that? No. Puranapyam means by the completion or non-completion method. So these things you will be going to learn in your advanced level. Okay, I'm just introducing the name of the sutras and its application and the meaning of it. Okay. Next thing is Chalana Kalanapyam. Okay. So this will be using differences and similarities. I know these words are very, very new to you people, but these things you will be getting in your higher classes. Okay.
I'm like 7th, 8th.
Yeah, you're right. Next, Yavadunam. This is your another sutra. Okay. So it is going, this sutra is going to use in while solving the deficiency problem. What do you mean by deficiency problem? For example, you need to solve, you have to solve one particular. If you have something X and Y and Z. So here they have taken three variables. In this, they have already given the value of this two. And they are going to ask you to find out what is Z. That means they have not given this Z. Okay. In those kinds, you are going to use this Yavaduna. And in some cases, what they will do, they'll be giving the question indirectly. That means they'll be giving you the question and they ask you to solve for the equation which does not exist. Okay. So in those cases, we are going to use the deficiency. Yeah, tell me who is calling me.
Ma'am, we have to write it in this class or next class?
No, don't need to write anything. All these things are available in your content. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
I want you people to understand only these things. These are very important. Okay. These three and first one. So only I made you to write all those four. Is it clear? Yes or no?
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yes, dear, tell me.
Can you show me the fifth sutra?
Fifth sutra. This one.
1 second.
This is your fifth sutra.
Thank you.
What's your doubt in this?
Nothing.
Rudransha, tell me, have you raised your hand?
If not, write this.
Don't write this. Vaidehi. Don't write this. It is not required.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
I'll write the other ones.
Don't write this. Only those 4. These are important
Oh, okay.
for this course. Okay.
Okay. Ma'am, next class will we learn? Will we write the other ones? Or
No,
write?
from next class, I am going to start the application of sutras. That is, we'll start with addition.
Okay.
Is it clear?
Okay.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Next one. What is the next sutra? So, is this sutras are enough for you? Shall I teach you the next sutras in the next class? Because
Sutras in next class. Yes,
yeah.
ma'am.
Oh, so we'll just do the revision. So, which is the first sutra?
Ekadanta Purvana.
No, it is not Ekadanta. It is Ekadikena Purvena.
Ekadikena.
Yeah. Ekadikena Purvena.
Ekadikena Purvena.
Very good. Ekadikena Purvena. Okay. Which is the second sutra?
Nikhilam Navatascharaman.
Yeah. See, how you are going to pronounce this? Nikhilam
Nikhilam
Navatash
Navatascharaman.
Charamam Dasha Taha. Okay. Nikhilam Charamam Dashataha. So, which is the second sutra? Which is the next sutra?
Yudha.
It is not Urja. Please give me a minute. I'll be back. Okay. Okay. So next is what? Urdhva Priyapaya. What you are doing, Leelakan? Nothing. But I can see something. Okay. Urdhva Triyakpayam. Okay. So this is vertically and crosswise multiplication.
Like that. Now somebody is saying like that sound.
Where?
See.
Yeah, it is in my home only. Yeah, you are right. Okay. Next is Urdhva Triyakpayam. Next is, just a minute. Sorry.
Baby crying.
Sorry. Okay. Next is Urdhva Triyakpayam. Here we are going to learn about multiplication. And one more thing I want to tell you for this is, just a minute. Wait, yeah. Here, this particular sutra is not only useful to multiply 2-digit number. It is also useful to multiply a 3-digit number. Okay. For example, if you have 2, 4, 8 into 1, 6, 9, something like this. Even in this case, we are going to use this sutra and we are going to solve the problem. Is this clear?
Yes.
And
Yes,
even
ma'am.
if you have something like this, if you have 4 digits also, you are going to use this sutra. If you have 5 digits, if you have 6 digits, if you have 7 digits, okay, it will be go on. You are going to use this sutra. And you may ask me a question, ma'am, if it is double digit number with a single digit, how we are going to solve it, right? In this case, what you are going to do, you are going to add a 0 over here. Because we know 3 is same as 0, 3, correct? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So we can use this method even to solve 2
Ma'am,
digit with 1 digit.
36.
Yeah, I know the answer. Thank you. Okay. Is it clear? So, any doubts in this sutras? Next is Paravartya Yojayet. This will be using while doing the division problems. Okay. For example, if you want to divide
Ma'am,
34.
these two are very important.
Yes. If you want to divide 34 by 9 or any number, you are going to use this transpose and apply. Even if it is a triple digit or 4 digits. Okay. You are going to use this Paravartya Yojayat number to find what? Quotient and remainder of division. Okay. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So next is Shunyam Samya Samuchaye. When the sum is the same, the sum is 0. It is something like this. So x plus x is equal to 0 if x is equal to what?
7C.
X plus x is equal to 0. Whatever, if the sum is same, then the sum is 0. Okay. Next is Anurupye Shunyamanyant. This you will be using in when you are solving a problems based on ratios. For example, 4:2.
Ma'am, what
Okay.
are ratios?
Ratios you will be learning in your coming sessions, dear. Okay. If I am writing this, it is something like this. 4 divided by 2. I am just representing this 4 divided by 2 in the ratio form by using is to symbol. Okay, this you will be learning in your coming classes. No need to worry about it. Next, this is the application of all from 9 and last from 10. Next is vertically and crosswise multiplication. This is the application of that. Next is Sankalana Vyavakalana. This will be using when we are going to solve a problem which includes both addition and subtraction in it. Okay. Next, Purana Puranabhyam. This is the completion and non-completion method. This will be used when the problem is complete or if you have an incomplete information also. Next is Chalana Kalanabhyam. This will be using in differences and similarities. All these things you will be learning in your higher classes. Is this clear?
Ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, what are higher classes? Ma'am, what are higher classes?
Which standard you are in?
Third.
Next.
Fourth.
Next.
Fifth.
What you are doing over there? You are going to the next classes, right? That is higher classes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So any doubts in
Ma'am?
today's class? Yeah.
Can you show the third sutra?
Yes, dear, I can show you. Yeah.
Okay. Then
Then please guys just write the application, or you can write the example and you can copy this after all from 9 and last from 10. You just write it as an example and you just copy this. Is it clear? What happened, Rajesh?
dog barking.
What?
Dog barking.
Dog barking. Where?
Just the sun came like that. Bog, bog, bog like that.
Who is it?
I don't know.
Okay, please copy this and let me know when you have finished this. Please write it. You just put an heading as example for this and you write it.
Ma'am, 0655.
0655. 0 is not required, but it is required in your next problems, coming problems. Now it is not required. You can write 655. Is it done? So today we have learned 10 sutras. Other 6 sutras, I am going to just tell you the meaning of that in the next class. Then we are going to start with addition. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, please write it. Let me know once you finish this. Finished? Everyone?
Leelavan, there's an elephant behind you. No, it is a background. Yes, I know.
Vaidehi finished copying?
I couldn't write down the 4 important sutras, so I'm writing them right now.
First you copy this, dear. Afterwards you can write it.
Okay. I copied.
You already copied?
Almost.
Yeah.
Done.
Done? Very good. Please copy this too and write this as note.
Done, ma'am.
Done?
Ma'am, is it 12 into 21?
Yes, dear, you are right. 12 into 21.
Okay.
Done? Okay. So any doubts in today's class?
No, ma'am. Any doubts?
Many doubts?
No doubts.
No doubts. Okay. Okay, we have time, right? So I'm going to teach you one game. Do people like to play game? Mathematical game.
Yes. I got one doubt.
Who is having doubt?
Me, whether
Yeah, Vaidehi, tell me dear.
that when did he die?
2nd February 1960.
Okay.
Okay, it is a logical game. I want you to just concentrate and let's see who is going to solve this puzzle. It is a kind of a puzzle. Okay, ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Can you people fill those gaps? You have some logic behind it. Think. And you can tell me the answer in the chat box. Don't unmute and tell. Please put it in the chat box. So I'll be giving you 2 minutes time. Think and tell me.
Ma'am, I don't know this game, which game it is.
You have to fill some numbers over here. It is something like Sudoku game.
Yes.
But not exactly. Okay, try. Let's see. It is not exactly Sudoku. It is a kind of that.
The 2, 4, 6.
Where 2, 4, 6?
Ma'am,
You just put it in the chat box, dear. Don't tell me. Don't unmute and tell. Correct. Yeah, Vaidehi, right. You're right. You have to tell me and I'll just give you the number. You just tell me.
Ma'am, I wrote in the chat box.
Yeah, you wrote, but I don't know where you have placed those numbers. This is third one. This is your fourth box. This is your fifth box. Okay. This is your sixth box, seventh box, eighth, and ninth box. No. No. Try again. Yeah, Rudransh, tell me. You have already posted in the chat box, right? Yeah, Rudransh, I'm not able to hear.
I written 5 and 3 are 53.
Okay.
Written 5 and 3
As 53. Yeah, I got
53.
it. Okay. Let's see. I'll just solve after 1 minute.
Ma'am, was my
And
correct?
you can cross check the answers. I'm not going to tell who is correct, who is wrong. I'm going to solve it for you.
Ma'am, sending that chat box again.
Yeah, you have sent me.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let's see.
I have sent too.
Very good. Is everyone tried this? Shall I tell you the answer?
Yes, ma'am. I cannot figure out the answer.
You cannot? You cannot type the answer. Is it there?
No, ma'am. I don't know the answer.
Okay, don't worry. I'm going to teach you. This is a game. This is just a mind game.
Ma'am, it is so confusing me.
Yeah, I know that.
And
See, I'm going to reveal the answer. Everyone just look at the screen. Ready? Yes or no? Yes.
ma'am.
So here I have 2. Here I have 6. I don't know what number will come over here, right? So what I am doing, I am going to subtract this 2. 6 minus 2 was 4, right? Now what I am doing over here, I am going to subtract this 2. So I'll be getting 4, right?
I know this.
Yeah. So how we are going to fill these gaps? Because you have 2 gaps over here. You just have a look over here. 4 plus 2 is 6. Correct? 16 plus 4 is 20.
7 and 11.
No. Now see, you have 2 over here. You have 9 over here. 2 into 2 is 4. Right? So 4 into 4 is 16. So here I have to write 3. Because 3 into 3 is 9. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am. 12.
Yeah. Here we are going to write. This is how we are going to solve this. Is it interesting?
And I know the answers.
Very good.
But I didn't want to answer.
Why?
It is confusing.
Confusing. Okay. Now is it clear?
Yes.
Oh,
Yes, ma'am.
okay. So if you solve these kind of puzzles, your memory will charge. Okay. Lilakan, don't play with backgrounds. Okay. This class is okay. From next class, I'm going to start with teaching all the tricks. You have to be concentrated. Is it clear? So any doubts in this class?
No, ma'am.
All right. Okay, guys.
Yes.